Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to this channel. We started with the graphic designing tutorials, and to be precise, this is day 3 of the course. Okay, so if you've missed out on the episode 1 and 2, I'll leave the link in the description so that you check it out, or you also see it suggested on the screen. Okay, so without wasting much time, before we start this video, if you've not yet subscribed or like this video, please do so and share this video for me as well. And also, if you have any comments on what you want to learn from us or anything that you want to learn that's been a bother for you, just tell us and we'll make a video on that for you. Thank you. Okay, so with the last time we looked at some basic background settings and we looked at how the layer works. So today we are going to look at how to insert shapes, basic shapes, complex shapes, and how to add text to them. Okay, so that's the main purpose for today's video. So without wasting much time, we move to the menu at the bottom. We have the shapes menu there, so you just tap on the shapes. Okay, so we have the shapes here. We see some menu up here. We have search, basic, frames, line separator. It goes on. So for the basic shape, you just select the basic. All the others are what complex shapes. So these are the basic shapes we have. We have one that is, so we have ones that are filled and others are what transparent, as you can see on the screen. We have filled shapes and transparent shapes, so many of them. Okay, so these are all what you call the basic shapes. Okay, so you just select one. Let me say I'll go with the heart, so I'll just tap on it. Okay, so as soon as you tap on it, it will show on the work area. You can scale it up. We have edit, rotation, size. Use the size to increase it. On the work area, we see 3 buttons around the shape. The first one will close it, the X will close it. The second one that's under the X will rotate it. Then the last one will increase or reduce the size. You can tap and hold that to increase the size. Okay, we can close this menu. Then we add another shape as well. Let's say we add another basic shape and see before we move on to the complex shapes. Okay, so let's say we add this shape, the unfilled one. Okay, we add it up here. Okay, then we can also change the color. When you come down here, we have the colors. You can tap here for the RGB color box. Okay, let's say we have a good red here. Okay, then the one inside too, we can also change that one as well. Okay, so we can panel and just select that one here. You just tap and hold on it and you bring it upward so that you can work on it. Okay, so here I can work on it. Okay, so let's say I give it this color. Okay, then now I can bring this one back up. You see the work of the layers panel. Then sorry, I had to remove this. Okay, so I will bring this one up. Then I'll increase it back. I can change the color again if I don't want both of them to have the same color. Okay, so you just do it and leave it. You can also add some text to this one as well. But before we add any text, I would like us to insert complex shapes. So we'll delete these ones. Then we go back to the shapes. Now we are going to look for some complex shapes. First we have some frames. Okay, we have so many frames in here you can use for your design. You have the line separator, you have the plain banner, and so much more. Let's try and use one of the plain banners and see how good we can do with it. Okay, So let's pick this one up. Okay, then let's add some text to it. We first increase the size. This one as well, you can also change the color of it. Okay, you can change the color to any. This here shows how deep it's going to look. Okay, it's deep or lightness, but we can change the color to a color maybe you like. Okay, let's make it a little bit deep first. Sorry. Okay, sorry for the problem. Because I changed the color highlight, it affected it a bit, but it doesn't matter. You just move on with it. Okay, you just move on. We have so many colors. You can get them more from here, or you can close it and get another shape. Of course, we had a small mistake earlier. Sorry for that one. Because whenever you are choosing the color, you must choose it instantly. Don't go and ask for any shadows or any effects. Okay, that will affect you choosing the color. But we see here under these shapes we have some pro written under it. It means we can't use these shapes unless you get the premium version of the app. Okay, all these places you have the pro under it unless you get premium version. So you can just move on and use these shapes, or you can even form your own shapes as well. So let's move on. Sorry for that. Okay, so you increase the size, then we can add some text to it. We can add text here. Example is just an example. So then you can change the font. We have some fonts down here. Choose any different font you think suits you. Okay, then we bring it here. We can scale it up. Okay, then the size, we can scale it up here as well. We have the color. We come here, we can find a nice color for it. Okay, if you want to add some shadows to it, see, add some shadows to it. The style, can bold in it or reduce it anyhow you want it. Okay, I'll underline it as well. You have the auto paragraph if you have so many text, line spacing, but this one we have only one word, so it doesn't matter. So this is just an example we did for today. Thank you for watching this video. Next time we meet, we'll be having a look at so many other stuff, combining all the shapes backgrounds together to create so many amazing designs. Thank you, and once again, subscribe and share this video for more of these or more tutorials like this to come your way. Thank you. Bye bye.